This month, November, has been the best month for us ever on the platform.
Far,
you know?
ever, yeah.
Yeah, we've been in Airbnb since like 2019, and all those years to now, it's been very good. You know.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family. The Delphi family, the Delphi family.
Hey.
Hey, Dad. Hi, Mommy, Dad, Daddy. What's this?
Yes.
Help me. Oh my God. Somebody help me.
What's
You want help?
Oh, I'm Theo.
Help.
What kind of help you want? Good job.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Hey guys, Wagwan. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel again. You know, so today we brought out the kids today. It's a new playground, you know? A new playground. So, you know, if
You want to climb?
you know, as you come into the video, guys, I just want you to click like. Immediately just click the like button.
Then another foot
Alright?
here.
Jaden, they can't be playing ball over here, dude.
So you have to hold on to this.
You just click like, same time.
And then you put your foot on this one. And then
Up again, Kyrie.
you climb
Up,
now.
up, Kyrie.
Put your hand right there. So now
Put up
you
your foot, put up your foot, Kai.
over here. So look where you're gonna put your foot, Kyrie. Look where you're gonna put your foot.
Do it.
I can do it. You need to put up your foot, Kyrie.
Okay, with your foot
Stand. You need to stand, Kyrie. You need to stand. You're moving too fast.
Put your foot
You need
on
to
it.
stand, yes.
Stand right there.
And hold on. Hold here. Put your hand here.
job.
And move your foot up to the next one,
Look where
Kyrie.
you're gonna put your foot. Look where you're gonna put your foot.
Yeah.
Look where you're gonna put your foot. Alright now? Now hold on to the metal now and go all the way up. Hold on to the metal. Hold on to the metal.
Yeah.
Good.
Put up your foot again, Kyrie.
Put yourself up. Good.
All you want that knee long and climb, you know. But it's too steep for that. Yeah, you can climb, yes.
Put your
Up
foot
now,
on the
up,
stone.
up.
Yes.
Up.
Hopefully you'll get it.
Yeah. Where you wanna slide down? Alright, slide here, Kyrie. Come here. Come here. Kyrie, come here. Come right here. Come right here. Come right here. Come right here. Yeah. Come. Come. Wee, come. Wee. Yes. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it is. It is.
Oh my god, I remember when we carried him to the playground for the very first time.
Which playground that?
The smaller one.
Okay.
That was down by the other gate.
Uh-huh.
We climbed there for the first time. Hey, one wasp. A bee.
Boy, mothers are so protective of their
The
children,
bee
you know.
literally around his head. It was literally around his head.
Hey, so where you there now, babe?
When I carried him, he couldn't even walk it. And he was like, what is this? And I remember putting down the first line and he was like,
Watch him,
wow.
watch him, body, see?
He's doing this so good though, I'm proud of him.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
yeah.
I am scared, I'm low-key scared to see him go up there by himself without me behind him going like this.
Uh-huh.
But I'm proud of him, you know?
Yeah, so guys, this is the new playground. This is a new playground, you know. Phoenix Park Village. Gore promised us this playground from when we first bought another community. That was probably 2017.
Yeah, this is like the initial playground.
Yeah, this
But-
is the one that it should have been, you know.
Yeah. But because this took years to come to, you know, fruition, we requested a what? You know, something else in another space that we had. Because I mean the kids need to play.
Yeah. So this part of the community wasn't built yet, and the persons who move in early in the community, they would have to wait. Like we would have to wait till 2023. Now, you know, we move in 2019. We would have literally wait 4 years. So in another open space, them build us like a temporary, not say temporary, but like a makeshift kind of
It's not a
playground.
makeshift, it is a playground.
Yeah.
It's a functioning playground,
Yeah.
you know.
But these are the real thing, you know? This
That's
are
the
it.
one that everybody's used to using that other one. This is the new one.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, this is new.
Yeah, I'll kick.
You know, start get the full traffic of the communities.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot of kids here.
So Jay's over here playing basketball. So I'm gonna join him. Yeah?
He's trying to climb back up.
Through the tunnel?
They always try to do that.
Alright, so this is the basketball court. It triples basically netball, basketball and tennis.
So this video is brought to you by Waterdrop, and they have gone ahead and sent us this reverse osmosis hot cold water dispenser. So we're really excited about this because this is a water purifying device. So in Jamaica, we're always shopping with our bottles to go to the water store to get it refilled. For this very same reason, these bottles, people have walked with 2 of them. Instead of 1 bottle here, can't manage our liquor family. This we're done in like 2-3 days. Alright, so we're done with it. Thanks to Waterdrop. Alright, this purifies our water from all harmful bacteria and all other elements, lead, chloride, calcium, all them other stuff there that we don't want in our water, in our drinking water. This basically gets rid of it.
We're doing a quick unboxing. It comes with this brush. Alright. And woo.
So we drink so much water in the days that this is going to be very convenient. You don't have to be running to and from the fridge. It can just be right here on our countertop. And it dispenses hot water as well, which I'm excited about, so I can throw my kettle. Oh, it's magnetic. Jay. Stone. And that's it.
Alright. So now to
plug it in.
plug it in.
We have to flush the system first before we can use it, and that makes total sense. So we're gonna start that process right now.
Alrighty, so we're back. Alright, so we did the setup and we run the rinsing of the system and the cooling down, so now we are ready to taste the water. You ready, Jaden? Alright, so now here we go.
Got water. So you notice that this line right here is blue. So it's telling us that it's cold water coming out. So this is my 4 ounces of cold water.
Alright.
What's that?
Alright, so I'm gonna do 8 ounces.
Eight ounces. Now let's taste.
Taste. Cool and nice.
Mommy, Daddy?
You want some? Yes.
You drink up, not
You like it?
going on.
You like it? It's nice? Come in it. How is it, Jaden?
It's nice.
Tastes nice, yeah?
It tastes way better than pipe water.
That's for sure. That's for sure. Alright.
Kyrie, you like it? You like it? Let's test the hot water setting. See if this can make some
Alright, go on,
tea.
try it.
So here we have our cup.
So you just select the temperature you want, 203, and then bam.
Wow.
Wow. It's now it's turned red. So the line right here now is red.
Oh, and it shows you, right? The light tells you what temperature it is on. You know?
Wow!
Ooh, there's steam coming out of it.
Wow.
A little bit of sugar, not that much. While Adrian sipping tea, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So this is the Waterdrop hot cold water dispenser reverse osmosis unit. This is awesome. Certainly we're putting it to good use already. So if you guys are interested in this product, the link can be found in the description box below.
Discount code is there as well.
Discount code will be there as well. Alright, so check it out. Check it out.
This will be definitely a very good buy. I'll miss some markings for tennis as well. So I guess if you want, you can bring your net and put up and play tennis as well, you know? Yeah. Oh, you like it, Jay?
I like it a lot. It's really colorful.
It's colorful, yeah. You like the colors? Yeah. Alright, you want to play a quick game?
Okay.
I will play a quick game. Here we go. Try and shoot. Alright, come. Try and give me. Ooh! Ah!
Having so much fun with this stuff.
You want to come over?
No, we don't didn't.
Shit.
It's the ball!
Oh God. Oh. I am so trash. I years me not play this.
Come and try, Carrie.
Come.
Come and try.
Come.
Come and try.
Give the ball. Come. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come. Joy. Joy.
You did it! You did it! Woo!
Hello, say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. Hey, do it football.
Well, it's called basketball, Carrie.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Come this way, Kyrie.
Bye.
Come this way. Come right here. Stand right here, yes. Turn around. Tell him what you're playing. Tell him what you're playing.
This way.
Tell him what you're playing. You're playing
We're playing
basketball?
Sandra.
Huh?
We're playing basketball.
Hello. Are you? Oh.
Come, Kai.
Carrie.
Huh?
Come. Shoot.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. You guys can practice. Is your foot alright?
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm more for play with us. I think we should play 2-on-2. Adrian and Kyrie against me and Jaden. Right, Jaden?
Come, Kyrie. Come.
Me and
come
you.
score. Kyrie, come score.
Against Daddy and Kyrie.
Kyrie, get back at the playground. Come here, make another shot. Come.
Kyrie's like, this is not my speed. He's literally going back to the playground.
Woo. Okay, so you know, see the hoop there. See the hoop there. Never shoot.
Never shoot?
Yeah. Woo!
Whoa! Alright, babe, I'm going up on something. Hey, set it back.
We'll soon come over. Go on with it.
Go on with it?
We'll soon come over.
Kyrie left us over there. He's like, nah, that's not my thing. I'm too small. He's over here. Kyrie, you're the captain? Where are you taking us? Where are you taking us, Kyrie? Say we're going to the high seas. Hi.
Hi. I need to ship.
You're on a ship?
Come on in, look.
Thanks for inviting us up.
It's a boat.
Yeah, what are you seeing?
I need a boat.
You're in a boat? You're the captain?
I need a captain.
Yeah. Look out for pirates. Arr! Look out for pirates.
Gary, can you see me? Look through it. Look through the binoculars.
Look through the binoculars. See if you can see Daddy.
No, can you see me?
You're too short.
Too high, yeah. Alright, next time.
Yeah.
Next time.
Steer your ship, Kyrie. Steer your ship. Arr!
As we say, we bought in to this community long before we knew what this playground would have been like, you know. We made a bold decision at the time, but we knew what the demand was, and so we couldn't wait, you know. So yeah, we couldn't wait till it reached here. So because it reached here, so Phoenix Park Village long sold out years ago, you know. So if we were hesitant and I said, boy, I don't know, and all of them things, they would have missed out on the opportunity. So from we heard that Gore was coming to Portmore with this development, immediately we and Cass jump on the opportunity right then and there, you know. And you know, in real estate investing now compared to now, it's a lot different, to be honest.
Yeah.
You know, where you could have gone in and it was a lot more comfortable. Now a bomb rush thing and it get crazy. Waiting lists and all them stuff there, it get way crazy now.
Very competitive. But I think the principles still remain the same for the most part. So if you watched our video, we did a video that came out on November the 19th. November the 19th. So if y'all can find that video, we did a video on how to buy real estate in 2023 and 2024. So go check that out. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, we definitely are reaping the benefits of what we've worked hard for over the years. And this is one of the good benefits. But we're talking about Airbnb.
Yeah, so really we just kind of come to just kind of bask in the moment a little bit with our, you know, Airbnb success. You know, this month, November, has been the best month for us ever on the platform. You know,
ever,
yeah. We've been in Airbnb since like 2019, and all those years to now, it's been very good.
So for the most part, we've had a really good experience. We've had our down days with COVID, but we bounced back and we kind of, you know, tiptoed, work our way through it like a real soldier. You know, we're now going to the obstacle course as a soldier. You good? My boy.
A soldier, man, yeah. I pay teeth. Yeah, anyway, so where were we? Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, you know, we had our challenges and we'll go through all of them. Wanted to share, just to say, yeah, we had a really good month, but we also wanted to share some of the points that we incorporated into having such a good month. Yeah.
I mean, you know, our yeah, our parents are here, you know, supervise them kids and all that, because you know the kids them get crazy sometimes. But yeah, you know, our business is growing. You know, we've added a couple of listings, 2022, 2023. You know, so it's been good. What we really appreciate as well is the support from you all.
True.
Quite often we get bookings from our subscribers. We appreciate, you know, and you know, I do to come and say, hey, we book, we come through, you know, we are one of the subscribers, you know, we really appreciate y'all, you know.
We do.
Yeah, man. Sometimes persons book them that make we know off the bat, but like if we book them up on the way or whatever, then we say, hey, you know, by the way, we're a part of the D squad. We appreciate that. Isn't it?
Definitely. We appreciate you guys' support. And another thing that we've done is we aim to give exactly what we promise on the platform. So we ensure that for every single guest that checks in, we want to ensure the place looks just like the photos that you would have seen. And that goes a very far way. Being very detailed in what is present, what is offered, what can be, goes a very far way as well, because persons are not surprised. They know exactly what they can do, what they can expect. And then what we also do as well is that we're always a present host. As we always said, Airbnb, just need to look at the kiddie. It's turning. So we are present hosts. Check our notification bells, and we try not to have hiccups. I mean, nobody is perfect, but we try to be very present. So when guests call and say, hey, I have this request, there's always somebody for them to communicate with. And we have a lot of persons coming back. So we've always had, in fact, that's one of our the good thing about our listings, we've always have repeated persons coming back from the day one.
Yes, and of course too, we get bookings off platform as well because of that. We appreciate it. So when you look at our calendar from our end, you wouldn't really be able to see it from your end, but a lot of the dates we have to cross them off because our supporters them link us up and say, boy, they want to look for come X time and they want to book some days with us, and we facilitate them as well, So, we give thanks. We are close to 100% occupancy, in our listings. We good. We feel good about that, because that's the way how you remain profitable.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
That's how you remain profitable in Airbnb, by looking to increase your occupancy rate at all times. What I mean? Because the occupancy, the higher the occupancy is, the more profit. Because I'm sure, I don't know what are your overheads like in the business, but say for example, your expenses is running you, when you do the maths, say 50% occupancy will cover your expenses. So anything over that
is your profit.
So try and find ways to increase bookings, find ways to sell your orphan days, the days that are the in-between days that are not booked, find way to sell those, So overall, it's been good for us so far, and we live here as well. So, and I like say we just look for just like an oil rig. We just pump out the resources and not really care about the environment. You see, we there so our children are enjoying this playground as well. We want maintain the standing of the community. We want to keep up the standard and make sure say business no impact others around.
So it's a win-win, and I think it depends on what is your purpose coming into the business. Sometimes you find that you get a few off hits, but for the most part, persons will align to the principles that you set up. And we set up a principle of a very calm, quiet environment, somewhere for you to come, chill, relax, be safe, and to contribute to the safety of the environment. So, that's what we've been putting in, and that's what we've been getting out. And we are very proud. We're very proud. And we're here to say that with hard work, with treating this like a business, you can have days, you can have months like this. And we've been in the business for a long time. And like every day I feel like we just come, and we're just now having a really good month. So that goes to show you that there are good months and there are bad months. But there's always a benefit, there's always success in sticking to it, growing, or should I say riding the tide? Riding the tide?
And by the way, guys, guess what? Jamaica is playing Canada tonight. You get me? I say, so Rugo there at the stadium. Rugo, I go at the stadium. You see me? I say, Rugo is my good brethren. You get me? I say, if you know, keep up with the vlogs. He lives in Canada. but he flew in last year while we were doing construction. Me and him roll, and he was in.
Sorry. Oh my God, he's big.
He was in a few of the videos. You see me? I say so.
He helped with the window video. So
Yeah.
the really tall guy in the window video.
Yeah. A couple video him did the round and thing, you know. So him there in Canada right now. Him a go to the Toronto Stadium, and Chris as well. Chris is JFF physio.
Yeah.
Him there at the stadium too. You get me? I say so. My friend them in Canada there. You see me? I say so. Match tonight, as me say, hope Jamaica can beat Canada. We are trail right now. The two leg playoff thing. So the first leg we lost 2-1. So the second leg tonight, hopefully we can beat them 1-2 over 1-3-1 or something, so we can overturn it and go through, you know.
We'll have to see some good goals.
Yeah.
Come on, Leon.
Yeah, Leon Bailey.
Bailey, you can do it. Come on.
Leon a bushy chance them start 3 good chance. Leon Bailey get where the if Leon Bailey scored 2 of them chances with an alright the other night, me I tell you, but I say I hope him do better tonight.
Looking
you see me I say?
seeing the Jamaican legs on the field, you know?
Yeah, you see it. Yeah, so we're gonna drop some clip. You see me tell Rugu saying for try and, you know, show a bit of the atmosphere in a Toronto Stadium and thing, you know, Jamaica versus Canada. So we're gonna drop in a couple clips right here now. You see me I say? Yeah man.
Yep.
What's up, Delport Family? So we're on the train, we're heading towards Jamaica match. So this is gonna be my first football match in Canada, you know. BMO Stadium. Yeah, we're outside. Stay tuned, I'm showing you what I'm going. Alright, let's go. Let's get it.
And more, one of the merchandise locations located throughout the stadium.
Jamaica. Well done, Jamaica, well done.
Final series is Canada 4, Jamaica 4. Jamaica advance on away goals.
Well done, Jamaica, well done. Okay, so we won. Jamaica won. And I was here to witness it. Yes. Big up on yourself, guys. Big up on the damn self.
Come on, do ya?
Please, Kyrie. I'm climbing. I'm climbing. I'm climbing. You want to give it a try?
This dangerous, you know, for him, you know.
He might angry himself.
Ah, Jesus.
Ready? Swing on. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. We did it! We did it!
If you enjoyed the little vlog, guys, make us know in the comments.
Definitely, definitely. Thanks again for joining us on another Del Pet Family vlog.
Of course, yeah, man.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscription button.
Yeah,
hit the
man.
post notification bell. That's the one with the dancing icon by the side.
Yeah,
and
of
give
course.
us a big thumbs up. Alright, share our content.
Yo, the lighting is nice, though, you know?
It is.
Ah, she thumbnail, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're out. Peace.